In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 50mm wheel spacers on your Mercedes. Let's get it. The wheel spacers are like the extension surface of the wheel hub, which can make the axle of the vehicle more permanent without changing any force structure. That's how two wheel spacers work and can be done in auto modification. The BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.